Good morning, guys. It is Saturday, which means it's time for another Working Mom Weekly Prep. Hey guys, my name is Sarah, and here on our channel I like to share how we balance work and life and everything in between, and a lot of how we balance goes into what we do on our weekends. So every Sunday I like to post a Working Mom Weekly Prep video to show what I did on the weekends to have fun with my family and do the more practical things. So today my husband Sam is about to leave for work. It is just about 7:30. Girls just had breakfast, our cleaner's coming. And so we like to run errands most Saturday mornings while she's here. It's a lot easier to clean a house when there's no kids, and it helps because I run a daycare in my home. And so I'm constantly cleaning, but I rarely have time to clean my whole house top to bottom, so she's a godsend to our family. So we are gonna be running to Target this morning. Celia has some money she's been earning and wants to buy some stuff, and I have a bunch of stuff I need to buy that I couldn't get on my Walmart pickup that we're picking up this morning. We need to go to the Dollar Tree and also pick up stuff for Operation Christmas Child because our church's final collection date is tomorrow, so we need to get that done. And then I don't really remember what else, but just running some errands, and then it's just like a typical Saturday around here. I've been staring at these roses for the last few days. One of my really sweet little daycare boys went to a flower shop with his mom this week and wanted to pick me out some flowers, and so they're just beautiful, and I love it in this milk glass vase. I have a little bit of time before she comes, so I'm going to pick out our girls' outfits for the week. Okay, got our outfits picked out. This is for Sunday. Tomorrow, I realized I didn't pick one out. I love this dress. I think it's so pretty. It's got this like crochet detail on the sleeves. Then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday's Jammy Movie Day, and then Saturday and next Sunday. For Bryony, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday's Jammy Movie Day, so Saturday, and then this polka dot dress for Sunday. I like to keep all their outfits in this organizer, and I put Celia's dance outfit here next to Tuesday because they have like a dress rehearsal at dance, so she has to wear that to dance class. So we just left Target. Celia bought the new Anna and Elsa Barbies with her own money. She still has a lot left over, but she's been working for the daycare, and she's been wanting the new Frozen 2 Elsa and Anna Barbies, and she just paid for them herself. I did buy Bryony a Belle Barbie because she's not old enough to earn anything yet. And we are now at, where is it? The Dollar Tree. And what are we going to be buying, honey?
A toy for 2 little girls.
Toys for 2 little girls to fill up our shoe boxes, right? You pretty excited? Yep. And we're not buying for ourselves. We're buying for the 2 little girls. Picked out a lot of stuff. No idea how much we're spending, but hopefully it'll all fit in the boxes. We just got home and we got their Barbies open, and of course the first thing have to do is strip them naked. I don't know why. Does anybody else's kid do that? Like the first thing they do is take off all their clothes. Girls are silly. I'm gonna put our Walmart pickup away and our stuff. We actually stopped at Subway because this one was getting hangry at Hobby Lobby we stopped at, and I forgot to pack a snack, and so I was like, there's no way we're gonna make it through till we get home. So stopped at Subway. Yeah, you're much happier now, huh? Okay, I'm not going to show you everything right now that we got, but I just put groceries away. But at Target, I am going to be doing a baking center for the daycare in the basement in December. I'm going to set it up over Thanksgiving break. And so I had been eyeing these online, and I found them at Target. They are these really cute little fabric donuts that look really real. I love like the jelly-filled Bismarck. It's so cute. I think it was like $9 for that set of 4. I separated out the girls to like hauls for the shoe boxes, which we will do probably later or tomorrow morning, I don't know yet. At Hobby Lobby we stopped at, I got one of these hats. I've been needing a new winter hat. And then for the baking center, I also just got, these were 50% off, so they were only like 40 cents or a little like 39 cents for these felt things. So I'm gonna use these for the baking center as well as these big red pom-poms. And then I got this assorted size like rainbow colored pom-poms because they didn't have any blue pom-poms or purple, I don't think, in these big sizes by themselves. And so if they want to do like blueberry pie or whatever, they have that. The girls each picked out one of these wands, so they got a pink one. And then I also got this tablecloth. I hope it will fit this table. It says that's 10 feet, right? I don't think this is bigger than 10 feet, this table. I don't really remember because the old tablecloths I donated because they were way too small. So I'll have to try that out and see if it fits. And then just like some makeup and cleaner. Celia's watching Aristocats on Disney Plus. By the time this video is out, Disney Plus has been out for like a week and a half. I'd love to know, do you have it? I already purchased it for 3 years, like 2 months ago or something. So I'm good in that department. We're gonna be loving it for a long time. I saw some of the old shows that I love when I was younger, like Bug Juice. Who watched that? And So Weird. Doug was on there, Recess, like so many good ones that I really don't have time to be watching, but maybe here and there I can take in a few episodes. I'd love to know, what are your kids loving? What are you loving? Because Lord knows we buy it more for us than our kids, most likely. What you doing, Artichoke? Artie, hi. What you doing? Just spent an hour or two working on this cabinet and some of the storage up there, as well as my laundry room, but that is a whole other video that I think will have already been posted by the time this video is posted, so I'll link it below. So just before we get Miss Bryony up, Celia is gonna pack her shoebox, but she's gonna go through and share what we got. Mostly everything is the same for Bryony, just different characters, and some of the stuff's a little different for littler kids, but we'll share what we got for pretty much like a 4-year-old girl. Okay, go ahead.
So we've got a unicorn, and we got it from Dollar Tree.
Yeah, we got all this stuff from Dollar Tree. Okay, so we got a little pink. This one actually looked higher quality than some of the stuff there.
And we've got a puzzle that has Minnie Mouse at Dollar Tree.
Yeah.
This is a Pinkie Pie coloring book.
Perfect. Okay.
And we've got Band-Aids.
Because kids love Band-Aids.
We've got pom-poms.
For what? What would a kid use those for?
Crafts.
Crafts, yep.
We've got Kleenexes.
With what on them?
Barbies.
Barbies. Everybody needs Kleenexes.
We have 2 toothbrushes that have Barbies on them.
Perfect.
Stickers. More stickers.
Oh, that goes in Bryony's pile. Yep.
We've got these markers. The Everest towel.
And it gets bigger, it expands, so it's great for a shoebox because it starts out small.
We've got a jump rope. A rainbow skirt.
Like a dress-up skirt, yep.
And we've got some rubber bands.
Ponytails, yep.
Ponytails. They're cool. A hairbrush. Purple. And we've got, a little
Washcloth. Why did we pick that?
so you can wash your stuff.
But do we love ours? We love these.
We have a rainbow bow.
Yeah, they had some really cute bows there.
A mermaid bow
Mermaid.
that it has a 10 scales.
Mm-hmm.
We've got a little notebook, a little headband that's soft, warm,
Mm-hmm.
and we've got glue.
Perfect. And why are we doing this, honey?
So little kids can have what we like.
Yeah, kids who might not get any presents from their parents because they don't have a lot of money, or maybe they don't have stores around where they could buy stuff like this, will get to open some cool stuff.
Okay.
Just like you will.
And we've got this unicorn is so cute because she has a brush.
Yes. Thank you, baby. I'm so proud of you. Well, it all just barely fit. It's gonna take some tape, but it will close. It is 7:30. Got home a little bit ago from my parents. I didn't film anything there. We just hang out. It's not really much to film. Got the coffee pot ready after I laid the girls down. Kind of tidied up the kitchen a little bit and ran the dishwasher, and now I'm gonna watch some TV. It is Sunday morning and we're having some breakfast, and then we're gonna get ready for church. And San already left for work at 4:30 to work at 5, so he should be home hopefully during nap time today. It's a little after noon right now. We got home about 50 minutes ago. Gave the girls some lunch. Bryony at the end of lunch was like, night time, bye Yaya. That's what she calls Celia, is Yaya, and like was just ready for nap, which like what 2-year-old does that? It was really cute. And so I just laid her down, sang to her for a while, read her a book. Celia's watching Lady and the Tramp. She slept in till after 6 today, which was unheard of, so that was amazing. So I don't think she needs to take a nap today. So it is time to meal prep with Mama. So I am back to using my Cook Once Eat All Week cookbook. I am doing week 7 this week, which you're supposed to be using turkey breast, cherry tomatoes, and Yukon Gold potatoes. Instead, I'm doing chicken just because the turkey was really expensive, so I just thought I would just go with chicken. Got some bacon, a green pepper, some cherry tomatoes, onion, and potatoes. So it's a pretty easy meal prep today. Shouldn't take a lot of time. Really, it's mainly cutting up stuff and washing stuff and then just baking. So shouldn't take too long. And the meals this is going to turn into is a roasted tomato soup with grilled chicken and cheese sandwiches, since I'm using a different meat. This buffalo chicken casserole, which looks really good. And then chicken pizza sheet pan dinner. So that's what we'll be having this week. So I've got all my chickens here. I'm just going to put some extra virgin olive oil on each one and just brush it on, and then sprinkle some salt and pepper over each. Oh goodness. We interrupt this programming to alert you that I think I left my beloved Contigo at church. So I'm brewing some more coffee, and hopefully when Sam gets home later, I'll go to church and see if I can find it, because it's my favorite thing in the whole world. But I do have a backup one. It's just not as big. That's okay. The ovens are completely full, so I've just been checking them every so often. And I'm going to fold 2 loads of laundry that I had in the dryer. Laundry is folded, chicken is done, I just have to cut it. Tomatoes are roasted, bacon is done. I'm just waiting on the potatoes. Okay, everything is ready. We got our sliced chicken for sandwiches, our tomatoes for the soup, potatoes for a few of the dishes, bacon, peppers, onion, and then the cube chicken. Looks good. We have a little bit of time before I need to get Bryony up, and she's not making any noise, so I don't think she's up yet. So we started the Magic Tree House books a month or two ago, but we kind of fell off the boat, so we're gonna restart and hopefully try to read a little bit every day. We do read to the girls every day, but we usually just read like library books before bed, so I want to incorporate that as well, maybe in a nap time. We'll see. Sam just got home. I got the tent out for the girls, just playing, hanging out. I did just go through my planner and kind of take notes, Sam, and I have to like sit down later and go over plan for the next couple weeks. Girls and I are having a version of this, and Papa's having this. Nice. I've never made homemade tomato soup, but this was super duper good. Let me know if you guys have ever tried making it yourself. Totally forgot to end this vlog, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.